Today we will discuss how to install Windows in your PC. Number 1. Obtain a Windows installation media. You will need a bootable Windows installation USB drive or DVD. You can create one using the official Microsoft media creation tool. Number 2. Backup data. Before you begin, it's a good idea to back up any important data on your PC, as the installation process might involve formatting the drive. Number 3. Insert installation media. Insert the bootable USB drive or DVD into your computer. Number 4. Boot from installation media. Restart your PC and boot from the installation media. You might need to change the boot order in your computer's BIOS and UEFI setting to the installation media. Number 5. Windows setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the Windows step process. You will be prompted to select language, time, and keyboard input preferences. Number 6. Install Windows. Choose the option to install Windows. You will then be asked to enter your product key if required and choose the edition of Windows you want to install. Number 7. Partition and format. You'll need to choose a partition on your hard drive where Windows will be installed. You can create new partitions or use existing ones. You'll likely need to format the partition before installation. Number 8. Install and customize. The installation process will begin. Follow the prompts to customize settings such as region, language, keyboard layout, and time format. Number 9. Account setup. You'll need to create or sign in with a Microsoft account. You can also create a local account, but using a Microsoft account provides additional features and integration. Number 10. Final step. Once Windows is installed, you'll go through a few more setup steps like choosing privacy setting, setting up Cortana, and configuring Windows Update. Number 11. Install drivers and software. After the initial step, you should install drivers for your hardware components, graphic cards, sound card, etc. To ensure proper functionality, you can also start installing software and applications. Remember that this is a general overview of the Windows installation process. The exact steps and options may differ based on the version Windows you're installing. Always refer to official Microsoft documentation or support for the most accurate and up-to-date instructions. Please note that The exact steps might vary depending on the version of Windows you're installing and your specific hardware. As of my last knowledge updated in September 2021, I'll provide a general outline of the process. From the most up-to-date instructions, you should refer to the official Microsoft website or the documentation that came with your Windows version.